Hello guys, my name is Sanjay Gupta and welcome to my channel Video of English. Guys, this video is for you and in this video we're gonna learn how to understand news headlines. See, today I have taken a topic how to read newspaper headlines and how to understand newspaper headlines. See, to understand newspaper headlines are very difficult and a number of people are very confused about it to understand it. But no mention, if you go through this my video, I hope you must be learn about it and you can understand your problem whatever you have to understand newspaper headlines. I'm gonna give you a number of rules about it. So my first rule is that present indefinite tense is used to express past events. See, whenever we get a past tense, past events in the headlines, so that time present indefinite tense is used to express that things. Okay, let's see the example. कुमार ने त्याग पत्र दिया. Here will be its translation according to headlines. Kumar resigns. Next, PM राष्ट्रपति से मिले. PM meets president. Guys, you can see here, I'm gonna give you some notice over here. This sentence will be in past tense, okay, in Hindi, but according to headlines, if we make translation into English, okay, so that would be in present indefinite tense. So you can see the differences over here, okay. So like this, it is written in headlines and we never find out the meanings, what will be exact meaning to that headlines, okay. So if you read my all things, so I hope you will be able to understand all those things, whatever you get confusion in understanding headlines, okay. Now next example we can also see here. बम ब्लास्ट में 15 मरे. Bomb blast kills 15. By this way we can define the headlines. If headlines comes according to present indefinite, so we can define the sense according to this rule, okay. Now second rule is that to is used to define future tense, okay. So how does it define, just let's see, okay. Here will be example. प्रधानमंत्री अमेरिका जाएंगे. So PM to visit America. So see, to is very vital role in headlines. Whenever to used in headlines, so we will understand that would be in future tense, okay. Like this here, PM to visit America, it means PM अमेरिका जाएंगे. Now next example, मैच 5 बजे शुरू होगा. मैच to start at 5 AM or PM. Whatever time you want to mention over here, you can mention, okay. Now third rule is that articles always left out. So guys, I'm gonna tell you that articles never used in headlines, okay. And according to headlines, if we understand and if we take out meanings, on the base of articles, so that would be something mistake and that would be something different meanings. Okay, so you will always remember that articles never used in headlines. Like this, I have given the rule and let's see the example. That would be example of this rule. Women walks on moon. See, we already know that moon always takes the before it. Okay, but in headlines it is written like this sentence. Okay, president addresses nation. So see, in this sentence, if we write this sentence generally in the paper, so that time articles is used before president. Okay, but whenever this sentence will come into headlines, so that time articles never be used in headlines. Like I told you, so according to that rules, this sentence will not take any articles if whenever it used in headlines. Okay. Now third rule is that, sorry, fourth rule is that helping verb is never used in headlines. We can see here example. Shakespeare's plays is immortal. I told you that helping verb like ism or was, where, like this, okay, never used in headlines. So here I have used, but this sentence will be wrong according to headlines. Okay, so I mean to say that if we use this sentence into headlines, so from here this is will be removed. Okay, so you can remember that helping verb means verb to be never used in headlines. Okay guys, now rule number 5. Past tense is used like this in the sense of, see, I'm gonna give you some suggestions and I'm gonna give you some ways how to understand whenever the sentence is written in past tense. Okay, so whenever the sentence is written in past tense, so that, what would be the meaning, the exact meaning to that sentence, so I'm gonna give you. Okay, so here we can see example. बम ब्लास्ट में 15 मारे गए like this. If the sense is coming out like this, okay, so we can make the translation into past indefinite by this way. 15 killed in bomb explosion. Okay, so by this way we can understand the headlines meanings. If we go through this video, I am sure you must learn. Okay, and if you learn this, so you can start reading and taking out the meanings from headlines, and I'm 100% sure that you must learn. Okay guys, so this is my first class of this topic and on this topic, so I hope you this thing you learn. By the help of this rule you can understand the headlines. Okay, now we can see here the next rule, rule number 6. In rule number 6 we will see that present indefinite tense is used instead of continuous and perfect tense. Okay, like present indefinite tense is used instead of continuous and perfect tense. So if we see the examples, we can understand that what would be meaning and what would be the sense according to headlines. Okay, so let's see the example. भारत ने आतंकवादियों से निपटने के लिए कमर कस चुकी है। So see these things, and this sentence is in present perfect. Okay, but if this sentence would be written in a headlines, so that would be in present indefinite tense. Okay, by this way, India gears up to counter terrorists. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna say you once again that this is the first video of this topic, and on this topic, and if you want to learn more and more about headlines understanding, so videos will be given into my channel, and in description box you will find links to go there. Okay, so you can find all the things, all the materials about it to understand headlines. So guys, I'm sure you must be learned if you stick to this channel. So if you like this video, please make it subscribe and share, comment, whatever you want to do, just do it. Okay, and never forget to remember these all rules, and please carry on increasing your understanding headlines. Okay guys, so keep it up. Thank you.